Problem 916, identify the following numbers as rational or irrational. If the number is rational, show that it can be written as a fraction. All right, so let's take a look at A, the square root of 36. If you don't know what it is off the top of your head, that's okay. Just put it into the calculator. I just know that 6 times 6 is 36. So the square root of 36 is 6. And that's rational because it is not a decimal that goes on forever with no pattern. So it just stops at 6. So it is going to be a rational number. And remember, if the number is rational, we need to show that it can be written as a fraction. So any number, any whole number I can just put over 1. And that is how I write it as a fraction without changing the value. Now for part B, we have 0.62 repeating. So remember, when we have those repeating decimals, all we have to do is put them over some 9 in the denominator. So we have 2 digits here, which means we're going to have 2 digits in the denominator, which means we're going to have 62 over 99. And this one was also rational because it's a repeating decimal. So it would just repeat 0.62, 62, 62, 62, 62. So this is also a rational number. Now the final one we have, part C. We're looking for the square root of 92. So if you put that into your calculator, you are going to get a number that looks, it's going to be about 9.5991663046. That's where my calculator screen runs out of room to put any more numbers. Now, you'll notice that we don't have any sort of pattern with these digits after the decimal. So nothing repeats, no pattern. So this is an example then of an irrational number. Also, this is going to be, once your calculator screen is maxed out and it can't hold any more digits, it's safe to say that it is a non-terminating decimal, which means that it doesn't end like pi, which means that it is irrational. And an irrational can't be written as a fraction. That's part of what makes it irrational. So this is all we have for problem 9, 116.